Hi, good morning, everyone, and happy 2019 to all of us. It is hard to believe it's 2019, that we have flown through the holidays, we are through winter break, and we are on the back end of our school year. Um, there have been some changes that we talked about at our meeting on the 21st. So we do have changed up our schedule for today a little bit. There are no scheduled regular weekly meetings today. We'll start those again next week. I do have a 9:30 welcome back, so I'd like you all to attend that welcome back session. And at that session, I'm going to go through some of the things we talked about at our PD. The most important is the new process for notes. If you remember during that PD, we talked about how we're going to be changing up a little bit, tweaking the notes format and how we're creating our documentation in TotalView. And the purpose is that we can get a quicker picture and more accurate picture on the number of call attempts. I talked about a report that I'm going to be sending out weekly. So I just wanted to share just a few things in this little update and I will go through these in more detail. But one of the things that I created for all of us is what I'm calling a note template. It's basically a summary, if you look over here, that summarizes each of the templates that we are going to currently be using, who uses those templates, when do you use it, and one of the big questions was, can we do multiple notes? Do we have to do individual notes? So it's a little bit of a cheat sheet on the new process for those notes. So I'll go into more detail about what this is and how to utilize it. The other thing that I will go into in more detail as well is the actual notes where you're going to actually, the reporting that you're going to be seeing. So if you look over here, this is the report, and I pulled this report from December 19th through today's date. So this gives me any notes created during that time frame. You're going to see at the top, you've got the school ID, what school it is, because it'll come for both AZVA and Insight. It'll show the student ID, your student first name, last name, the subject. So this is the actual note template subject with the changes that have been made. So for example, you can see this is a running note that I created and the date that I created it. As you move along the top of this template, you're going to see the template name and you're going to see the date it was created and most importantly, who it was created by. So for you to utilize this template, you can go down and you can either look at all the templates you created, which is what I've searched here on my name, all the templates that I've created for my students, or you can click on all of this and you can, for example, I'm going to go pick one of my students' names. We can go in and look at a student, a particular student that you might have, and I need to go find that student that I just looked at. And this shows any note created for that student, whether it was my note or another teacher's note. So we can see from December 19th, whatever the date was, through today, there have been 5 different notes created for this particular student. There was an enduring connection call created, missed required class connect session, a call attempt, and some fast referral notes. You can also see who created those notes as well. So I think this is going to be a really valuable resource, and we'll go in how you can utilize this a little bit more detail during our 9:30 meeting as well. So I look forward to seeing you guys. I am so excited to start the back end of our year. My schedule this week is going to be a little flunky on Friday. Friday I do have some travel, so I might be in and out a little bit on Friday. But overall, I am looking forward to a full week at work and most importantly, working with you guys and helping our students end this semester strong. Have a wonderful start to your new year, and I will see you guys all at 9:30. Bye.